All right, guys, here we go again. Unboxing. As you can see, there's plastic on this box. It needs to be unboxed. So I'm going to do that, and I am prepared today. I'm sorry, but my partner in unboxing is not here today. She's a little bit sick. Her name is Liz. You guys, please pray for her to get better because this unboxing has just caused her a lot of stress. So she couldn't be here to unbox. But I'm going to take control of this unboxing. Now, I want to point out again, it looks like it's already been unboxed, but it hasn't been unboxed. So I'm going to unbox it. All right, here we go. And this is how you got to do it, guys. You just pretty much, cut that baby apart. Now, don't let this stuff go into the ocean because it could kill sea turtles. Plastic here. Okay, so properly dispose of that. All right, here we go. I think you just crack this open like your. Oh, now up here we go again with the little arrow. Okay. All right, we did that. So, oh, look what happened. Fell out. Well, there it is, folks. It's white. It's plastic. It's kind of heavy. It's got some weight to it here. All right, cool. We have, you know what I've noticed with the old other Nest thing? There was no CD-ROM. And usually things all come with CD-ROMs, or at least they did in the 90s. I don't know what happened to that. So I guess I just have to go on YouTube to figure out how to, because, these instructions are for people that read. I don't know what that is. But again, I'll go on YouTube and I'll see how to install this thing. I really got to put that thing up today because, it's a nice day today and my door's already wide open. So I'm going to go out and install this thing. Oh, look, it comes with a drill bit. That's good. Little iPhone thing, unless you want to take your SIM card out, maybe. Who knows? Who knows what all this gadgetry is for? Yeah, I gotta go on YouTube to see how to install it, but I'll show you guys when I install it. It'll be awesome. Alright, unboxed, done.